Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you guys how to make this amazing egg roll recipe. It's made with steak. It's absolutely divine. But before I begin, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe. Don't forget to like, and let's get started. Alright guys, here are the ingredients. I'm using this skirt steak for today's recipe. You will need some provolone cheese, some bell peppers, the seasoning. I will have that below for you guys. I am using some egg roll wrappers, 1 egg, and that is basically all you need to make this recipe. So first thing first, we're going to cook our steak. So before I start cooking the steak, I am going to saute my bell peppers as well as the onion. All right, now I am going to move on to the steak. I am going to thinly slice them. Now that the bell peppers are nice and softened, I am going to add the steak right on there. I am going to cook the steak for no longer than 7 minutes because they're thinly sliced and I want them to remain nice and juicy. So now I'm going to season. By the way, let me just explain to you guys what type of seasoning I'm using. Onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, as well as seasoned salt. And I believe paprika. Of course, it'll be down below for you guys, so check that out. I am going to cook this for about 5 to 10 minutes on medium high heat. You don't want to overcook the steak because you want it to be nice and juicy. All right, the steak is looking juicy. I love it. Now you're going to grab your egg roll wrapper, place it to a cutting board. Next, I'm going to take my provolone cheese, place that right on top of the egg roll wrapper. Then I am going to add my beautiful, delicious steak right on there. As you guys can see all the juice, I am going to add that in as well. Now I'm going to take another layer of the provolone cheese, place that right on top. And also for the egg roll sheet, I am going to seal it with some egg wash. Here's how to make the egg wash. 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of water. That's it. Give it a mix and you have the perfect egg wash. Okay, that's how easy it is to make it. Now I'm going to take my brush and just brush the edges of the egg roll sheets just like that. Then you are going to roll it. It's really easy as long as you have a decent amount of the steak in there. It shouldn't be that hard. Like I said, don't add too much of the steak so it doesn't start ripping apart and you have a bunch of oil inside your egg rolls. Now it's time to fry these bad boys. To a preheated skillet with my oil heating up on 350, I am going to place my egg rolls right in there very gently so I don't burn myself. Then once one side is nice and golden brown, I am going to flip it over. This process should take about 3 to 5 minutes. You're just cooking the egg roll sheets. Obviously, everything is already cooked and you want the cheese to be nice and melted. And once my egg rolls are nice and done, I am going to plate them on a napkin just to soak up the oil. Now I'm working on this Cajun butter sauce. I added 4 tablespoons of butter with some seasoning. I will have that below listed as well. And I'm going to pour some heavy cream in there. You guys seen me doing this before to my last few videos that I made. It's very easy and it's absolutely delicious. So you're going to keep stirring it and make sure the butter is room temperature, and basically that is your absolutely delicious Cajun butter sauce. I am going to slice my egg rolls in half, then just squeeze that amazing creamy butter sauce on there. And basically this is how easy this recipe was to make. It super juicy inside. The steak was absolutely flavorful. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye guys.